This is PAG TV, the pride of Africa, and you're actually at the campus of the Kumasi Technical University to witness the 70th anniversary launch. This is actually the launch of it. The institution began as a technical institute and it metamorphosed into a polytechnic, and now it is a university. And so it is the launch of it here at the Great Hall of the Kumasi Technical University. We've seen a couple of dignitaries gracing the occasion. We have Professor Bafu Boni and also the Chancellor of the university, who is Honorable Adokofo, and host of other individuals coming to grace this occasion. I am Adusi Poku, and my colleague Emmanuel Amankwa will speak to a section of the public who have gathered here to witness this mammoth celebration. This is PAG TV, the pride of Africa.
PAG TV, the pride of Africa.
I stand here with immense pride as we celebrate the 70th anniversary of Kumasi Technical University. 7 decades ago, a seed was sown here in Kumasi, a seed that blossomed to a first-class institution. Kumasi Technical Institute, as it is known when it was established in 1954, has empowered countless individuals with technical education, transforming them in skilled technocrats who have helped in driving the nation's development.
Years of dedication, perseverance, memories, adventure, triumphs, and challenges. As we witness our official launch, it gives me great pleasure to share with you the various activities that have been earmarked as part of our platinum anniversary. Following today's launch, the rest of July will be used for various faculty exhibitions and innovations, where we will showcase many inventions and innovations of this great university by our students. Then in October 2024, we will launch our maiden Chancellor's annual inaugural lecture. This Chancellor's annual inaugural lecture is intended to advance our mission as a leading technical university to foster academic excellence and innovation, strengthen community and industry engagement, and enhance institutional prestige and visibility. This will be followed by the launch of the KSTU's history book here at the Asante campus. You'll agree with me that for 70 years, we have a lot of history to tell. And therefore, the history book will help us to understand our present through a knowledge of our past and enable us to make more informed decisions about our collective future. The book will also serve as a shared memory for us all to ensure that important events and experiences are preserved for future generations. This activity will be followed by a planned community medical outreach and blood donation exercise scheduled in January 2025 for the Asante community. The Students' Anniversary Pack, which includes a clean-up exercise, on food, floats and picnic, interfaculty debate and entertainment night will be done in the months of February and March 2025 at both our Asante and Agyapong campuses. In April 2025, we will crown the 70th anniversary celebrations with a grand anniversary derby as our climax event, which will witness the much anticipated alumni homecoming and launch of the KSTU Endowment Fund. We'll also have sports and fun games, an anniversary ball, and a non-denominational Thanksgiving service to thank the Almighty God for 70 years of academic excellence and a successful Platinum Jubilee Anniversary celebration.
Welcome to PAG TV, and this is the official launch of KSTU 70th anniversary. And today with me here it's Dr. Opemsuo, who is a lecturer here. Doctor, you're welcome.
Thank you very much.
Please, how was the program today?
I believe it was very interesting. It was excellent. It was a great opportunity for KSTU to exhibit to the world what we do and then what we are capable of. You know, it's our 70th anniversary, and therefore we use this opportunity to unveil the whole university to the public once again. We also showcase our products from the fashion department. I was excited about the quality of the products that were exhibited. I believe it's a nice opportunity for the corporate industry to come on board. You know, our education here is technical education, but I believe there has always been the link between academia and then industry. There's a clear opportunity for industry to come on board, partner with us, so that our products can be produced on commercial basis out there. I believe that is the essence of education.
Thank you very much for speaking.
You are welcome.
PAG TV, the pride of Africa.
What you do here?
I'm Michael Edukumi. I'm the Quality Assurance Officer.
Quality Assurance Officer.
Yes.
Today is the official launch of the 70th anniversary of Kumasi Technical University. What do you make of this?
Well, we have come a long way, and as you know from the speeches, we have branded ourselves very well, and today is the launch of what we have done in the past and what we look forward to achieve in the future. So whatever you saw over here is what we are doing to also move Ghana ahead, and we have done it in grand style. As you have seen the occasion. So we thank all those who came to celebrate with us, and we know that they will continue to support us in moving into the future to do more exciting things for the nation. We are the best technical university for 3 consecutive times according to the WoraWora ranking. So students who are seeking technical and practical education should come to KSTU. Nimdie was shrine over here for them.
PAG TV, the pride of Africa.
I'm Patience. I'm at the finance department. It's a great day. We had a great time, good experience, and everything was splendid. As we all witnessed, the program was good, and then, you know, it's the best university so far. And I will encourage that everybody should try and witness what we are witnessing here.
As a technical and vocational training student, I know that we don't only acquire skills, knowledge, but we also acquire skills. So in pursuit of white-collar job, I believe it is high time we come forward as students or as graduates and create employment for ourselves. Yeah, whatever we learned in our various institutions, we should be able to materialize them. We should be practical. We should be pragmatic in whatever we do. So, you know, you can't just sit down and wait for jobs. Once the jobs are not coming, I believe we are in a good position or a pole position to create jobs for ourselves. You can start something little, something small. As a student, I am still a student. I have a side business. I operate a building consult. I am a civil engineering student, and I have a building consult named the Builders Consult Ghana, of which I have students who are part of it. We are making something from there. So I will urge all my fellow students to also take up the opportunity of whatever they are learning and come out with something. We don't always have to wait on the government to provide us jobs.
PAG TV, the pride of Africa.
Abusuafo nyina mechiam. Ye from Kwame Adinkra. Oh, share PAG TV, Nyansa Wom, Abakusem Wom, Nijie Wom, Edisian Bebre Wom, Yana Yamere, Nasia de Accra, or PAG TV, Yenina Yeshe, Tibo Modern also ship.
The pride of Africa is PAG TV, preserving and promoting. It's PAG TV, values and legacies. PAG TV, the best entertainment. It's PAG TV, we the best, we the best. PAG TV, the pride of Africa.
PAG TV, pride of Africa. PAG TV, pride of Africa. Best news and entertainment, culture and sports. Give this hour and documentary. PAG TV, the pride of Africa.